Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rubén Darío Alvarez and I live in the city of Pamplona, located in Norte de Santander, and my pedagogical practices were carried out at a prestigious institution called Cambridge School Pamplona, which is located in this beautiful city. My practicum took place with a group of fifth graders of the same institution. Well, after doing the practice, I was able to understand many things that I had seen only in theory during the career, and discovered others that I had not seen or had not understood until I experienced them personally. Really, when you do the planning of the class is one thing, and another totally different one is when you are in it. Why is that? Because many unexpected situations arise during class, and you must know how to handle them wisely and accurately in order to get good results. It was then when I really understood that I am really passionate about teaching and transmitting my knowledge, and it was really gratifying and satisfying to see the progress shown by the students as the teaching learning process progressed. Well, in order to improve my pedagogical performance, I established the following action plan. Number 1, the animation and organization of my classes. During the planning stage, I must take into account certain aspects such as the progress of students according to the objectives given, which is not only about the qualification obtained, but also to see new strategies for learning to be evidenced. Greater commitment and responsibility. Although it was only a practice and time is limited, I must work more in knowing the students, in the sense of being able to help them reach their goals in the area and discovering that many paradigms they have with the language are completely false. I must also integrate self-assessment dynamics in the classes so that the students are aware of their progress and reflect on their learning process. I must also integrate new technologies in teaching and class dynamics. It's very important also to continue with my training and research on the new teaching techniques, because it is necessary to constantly innovate depending on the learning styles of the students. And we all know that it's changing every single day. In order to answer the question about the most challenging problem for future English teachers and my recommendation about it, well, here's my personal opinion. I personally think that English teachers have a great challenge, especially here in Colombia. First of all, because they must fight against the lack of resources, motivation, and support from the Colombian state, which is another important factor in the equation of English learning in Colombia, because they have the goal of the country being bilingual without making the investment needed to achieve this goal. How are teachers alone going to achieve that if they don't have the support from the country? It's not going to happen. On the other hand, it is completely necessary to review the educational aspects that affect teaching nowadays. Things like supporting material, infrastructure, tools, teaching training, among other factors that are very important to consider. Therefore, if we really want to improve the level of English in the country, it is completely necessary to reduce or eliminate those obstacles. Teachers must work very hard to train better, seeking new teaching techniques and promoting learning, and thus really generate an impact on the students. Actually, it is a joint effort, and that's going to happen only if the state, the teachers, and the students get together to accomplish it. Well, thank you so very much, and it's been a great pleasure for me to be part of this. God bless you all. Goodbye.